Now we are going to see about the parallax method. In this parallax method, we have to find the distance of an astronomical object. For example, the distance between the one planet to another planet, and then the distance between the sun to earth. So with the help of a parallax method, we are finding the astronomical object distances. So what is the meaning of a parallax method? A apparent change in the position of an object with respect to the background when the object is seen from two different positions. The object should be seen from two different positions. Dears, already you learn the parallax error in your lower forms. Like that only, the object should be seen from the two different positions. Now we are considering the any point at a O place. Now the observer standing somewhat distance, and then now the observer first he opening his left eye, and then he is looking the object. First the left eye should be opened, and then right eye should be closed. Right eye should be closed. So with the help of the left eye, the observer first seen the object. Next what he is doing now, closing the left eye, with the help of the right eye, he is looking the object. Now the distance between the two eyes becomes the base B. The distance between the two eyes becomes to the base B. Now the angle should be producing at the point of O. So this angle is called the parallatic angle. This angle theta is called the parallatic angle. Now the observer opening one eye and see the object. Next he closed this eye, and then he is opening that another eye. Now the object position should be shifted from one place to another place. So the object seen from two different positions, the object should be shifted. This is called the parallax method. Here that LO and then OR we are considering as an X distance. LO is equal to OR is equal to at a X distance, and then the distance between the two eyes L and R should be equal to B. Now that theta should be equal to B base divided by the unknown distance X. We don't know the distance from the eye to the object. So the distance we are considering as an X. So the theta is equal to B divided by X. And then the B is an base distance. That is the distance between the two eyes. And then X is an unknown distance. Here we need an unknown distance X only. So X equal to B divided by theta. We know the value of theta, and then distance between the two eyes. We have to calculate the unknown distance X. Thank you, dear children.